What's up, y'all? It's Quijuandas. Welcome back to another regular old vlog. I hope everybody's doing well. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So it is a beautiful Friday in the neighborhood. Love is in the air. I'm getting ready to go to a wedding. Congrats, guys. Enjoy the griddle we got you. This wedding is in Oak Cliff, honey.
Oak Cliff, yeah, that's my hood.
Not really. I'm from Pleasant Grove. PG. That's my hood. But anyways, y'all know I like to try this little vlogging thing out when I'm actually leaving the house. So we gonna get ready together. I've already done my hair. The hair is what takes me the longest when I'm getting ready. So I'm glad we got that out of the way. So I'm about to do my makeup. Then from there, I'm gonna eat because the wedding is not for like 2 hours and it's an hour away and I'm hungry now. Then after I calm my hangry spirit, we gonna head out. Brad is probably stressing right now. I ain't had that problem. I got married in my living room. So y'all seen me do my makeup a couple times, but I noticed I've never really shown or told you what I'm using, so I'm about to get my beauty guru on. First things first, I like to start with my base and properly moisturize my skin. And I'm going to be using this Neutrogena Soothing Clear Turmeric All-Free Gel Moisturizer. So after that soaks in, I go on with my sunscreen. This is the Black Girl sunscreen. Black on, get into it. And I like this sunscreen because it doesn't leave me ghostly, okay? We don't like ghostly. Now I'm going straight into brows. This is the NYX Eye Pencil in dark brown. This is the new one. This is the old one. We use an old one. All right, let me step back to make sure they are these cousins. They look related to me. Now I'm going in with my primer. I don't think we're going in with this one though. This is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. But as you can see, she hydro empty, so we're gonna have to use something else. Becca Cosmetics Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Now she leaves me ghostly. I just went in with my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade. The name is gone. Name's gone, but I'm pretty sure this was Beautiful Bronze. And I use it underneath my eyes to cancel out the dark circles, on my little hyperpigmentation marks, and underneath my brows to sculpt those. So let me blend that out real quick. Now I'm going in with that LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn to highlight. I normally don't even do chin, nose, and head. I just got beside myself. Need some baby wipes. So I'm pretty sure y'all know this, but I conceal and I highlight before going in with any foundation because it gives me more of a natural, your skin, but better finish. And I don't feel like I'm wearing makeup because it's not as cakey. And I don't even wear foundation, I wear BB creams. Both of these are from Kiss New York. This is the one I've been using for years. This has been around forever. This is the Aqua Beauty Balm, but I feel like they may have discontinued this because when I tried to re-up, I ran into this. And this one is a matte finish, and I actually like this one better. My color in this one is Rich Mahogany, and I don't know if I just said my color in this one, but it's KBB 03. But yeah, BB cream. So yeah, not too much, but I still look done up. Now it's time for me to set under my eyes. I use Sasha Buttercup. And to set my entire face, I'm using this Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Deep. To contour, I am using this True Complexion Medium to Dark Contour Palette from Black Radiance in this shade right here. For blush, I'm using this e.l.f. Quad Blush Palette in the shade Dark. And I really like this color right here. And I highlight, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Topaz. And to set my face, I'm using this e.l.f. Makeup Mist Set. Did I finish? Girl, I didn't do my eyes. Normally I just use that contour shade as my eyeshadow, but since I'm going to a wedding, I feel like I need to be a little bit extra. So I'm gonna use this MAC Quad instead. I don't know what these colors are. I'm going with this next eye pencil in black. So these are my eyes. It's not really dramatic, but it's dramatic enough for me. Now I'm gonna set with the Mist Set. I'm gonna show y'all the lippy after I eat. Well, I guess I could at least show the shades real quick. For the lippy, I'm using MAC Antique Velvet. I use this as my lip liner. Then I go on with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. This is my favorite lip combo. So this is the finished face. My makeup is done. Now let's eat. Quick outfit before we head out. The dress is sheet in. Shoes, Just Fab. Bag, LV can, and a little jacket from Miss Guided. Let's go.